Thanks, Katie and Mason. Well, coming soon, we are going to be sleepy after spring break. I hope you know who this guy is right here. If you don't, you need to catch up on your Disney. We're going to just be like sleepy off Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. On March the 12th, it is going to be daylight savings time. We are going to spring forward in time. We're going to lose an hour of sleep, so please be prepared for that. We're going to be a little bit sleepier come March the 12th. And if we could just, and then currently, this morning, it's about 69 degrees and it is rainy. We have some storms headed our way. It's going to be a lot of storms, and I will keep you updated later on in the newscast. And the wind is about 10 miles per hour. It's really blowing today, so please be careful if you're driving with rain and wind. It just doesn't do well on your car. And the humidity is a little bit, it's right at 50%, so it's, you know, very humid, and that when that mixes with high temperatures, that just means thunderstorm. And we have an 80% chance of rain, and it's going to continue throughout the day. But if you stay tuned, you're going to notice that we're going to have a really nice weekend ahead. And now I'm going to send it on break.
Let's go ahead and send it over to Piper Evans for our weather. Piper?
Well, thanks, Alex. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but we have some pretty heavy storms coming in today, and they're going to continue to come on through the spring season. Now, there are some weather safety tips that you can do. If there is a storm, you need to definitely keep in touch with your weather station. Make sure that you're really tuning in and listening to be safe. Stay indoors if possible. And if you're indoors, stay away from windows, because if the wind, you know, gets too violent, or if there is like a tornado possibly, it could break the windows and bust the glass. Also, go into like an interior room or the lower level of your house. That means like go inside a bathroom or a closet, anywhere where there's no windows and it's in like the center point of your house. And for lower level, that means like a basement. Not a lot of basements are here in Middle Tennessee, so try to go into an interior room if you can. Now we can look at your today's forecast. We have a 80% chance of rain in Murfreesboro today with scattered thunderstorms throughout the area. Now the high topping off for Nashville is going to be about 72 degrees, and that's going to continue on through Middle Tennessee. Well, now I'm going to send it to Marissa to see what's trending at MT. Hey everyone, let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. Today, like I said earlier, we're going to have thunderstorms throughout the day, and the temperature is going to be a little bit below 70, but look at the lows for the upcoming weekend. They're going to be very cold. This should be our last cold spell until springtime. We only have like a few more weeks or days of really cold weather. But for Thursday, look, we're going to have clear skies. It's going to be sunny. And the high is going to be about 56 degrees and the low is going to be 33. For Friday, to kick off your weekend, we're going to have sunny skies and it's going to be about 50 degrees, but look at the low. It's going to be below freezing, really chilly on Friday. But then Saturday, we're going to have partly cloudy skies. The high is going to be in the mid-60s and the low is going to be in the low 40s. And then we're going to top off about 65 on Sunday, partly cloudy. And then for Monday and Tuesday, we're going to have rainy days, and we're going to have temperatures about in the mid-60s, and we're going to have temperatures in the low 40s. Sorry, I'm just so happy about these temperatures. Well, that's it for The Rise. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.